Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a volcano. So this is Scientist Jack.
Hi.
And I am his assistant. So
We're gonna make a volcano.
Yep. And this is the recipe we are following. So first it says to place the beaker on a layer of paper towels. This is so it doesn't get all over your countertops and everything. Then you have to fill this beaker with half a cup of water. So you have to add so you have to add this in. Be very careful. I think I'll make it easier for you. Don't pour it in there. And pour it in there. This will make it easier. Awesome. Okay. So this is filled with half a cup of water. And now we are going to add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. This I am going to do because it will get messy even if I do it. Okay, so about 1 spoonful. Take this off. 1 spoonful. And, oopsie, that's what the paper towels are for. 2 spoonfuls, and we'll just put everything in.
Food coloring?
Not yet. So, you will also need food coloring eventually, but not yet. So, Scientist Jack picked out the color blue. So now, I poured some vinegar into the small test tube. And now we are going to add 5 drops of that food coloring. Okay, so can you put 5 drops in there?
Do it.
Nope, into here.
Oh. 1,
2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Perfect. Okay, now can you put the cap back on that while I do this next part? So we need to put the cap on really tight. Is this on? I don't really know. So just give it a little shake. So now it's nice and blue. And now we will put it in. I'm going to do this part because it's going to get very, very messy. All right?
Yep.
You ready for this?
Wait, I'm
Let's
gonna put
open-
this on then.
Oh no, because then it'll float. All right? Let's see if this works. Whoa! Will it make it? Will it make it? Oh no, it won't make it. Let's add some more baking soda. Maybe that'll work.
Yeah, let's add some more baking soda.
And more vinegar, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you think, Scientist Jack?
I don't know. Let's add all of it.
No, we're not. Oh, well, it didn't overflow, but it still works. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel.
And this is what it looks like.
Yeah. Bye.